In the heart of the forest, the witch searched for herself in dark magic. She was unaware that she would find herself in a much different way.
The potion's ready.
I think so.
I don't like mirrors.
I'm sorry. I'm
Let
so
me
sorry. I thought it might help to see when the magic is complete.
It's not ready.
I followed every step.
Bat wings,
6,
toad eyes,
2 of them,
raven claws,
6.5,
fruit worms,
a full jar.
and children.
3 so far.
Something's not right. It's missing something. Bring me the last one.
This is the special one.
Bring it!
This is the special one. Come with me. I'm so sorry.
Why isn't it working?
Your heart is really sad.
Now, what would a child know about spells?
You're sad and broken in pieces, but there's more to you.
What did you say?
Show her. You live in the darkness, but there's light.
Children have special gifts.
It was always been there.
You have always seen my light. Thank you.
Welcome back.
You've been such an amazing assistant, Eeyore.
And so, that's how the witch found herself.